Today we're taking you on an exciting journey through a week of adventure in Italy.
That's right. From planning the trip to exploring the beautiful cities of Rome, Venice, and Florence, we'll cover it all.
So Daniel, what sparked your interest in Italy this year?
Well, Sophia, I've always been fascinated by the rich history and stunning architecture. Plus, who can resist the food?
Definitely. And can we talk about the gelato? It's a must-try.
Absolutely. Now, let's dive into the planning phase. How did you approach the budget?
We decided to keep it under $2,000 each, which included flights, hotels, and activities. It felt reasonable, right?
Very reasonable. And don't forget about travel insurance. It's super important.
Right. Now, moving on to booking the trip. What's the first thing you found?
I found a direct flight leaving on the 10th of next month. It was affordable and convenient.
Perfect. What about our accommodations?
We booked a charming 3-star hotel in Rome for the first 3 nights. Then we'll head to Venice and Florence.
Sounds like a dream. And what's on your packing list?
Comfortable clothes, walking shoes, and of course, a camera to capture all those memories.
Oh, and chargers. We can't forget those.
Good point. Now, let's fast forward to the airport. What was that moment like?
It was exciting. We checked in, grabbed some coffee, and I was buzzing with anticipation.
And once we boarded the plane, it hit us. We were really going to Italy.
Right? And arriving in Rome was surreal. Seeing the customs officer and finally being there felt amazing.
And finding our luggage was a relief. Then it was off to the hotel.
The Grand Roma Hotel was so welcoming. What were you most excited about once we checked in?
Exploring the city. I couldn't wait to see the Colosseum.
And the tour guide was fantastic. Learning about the history of the Colosseum was fascinating.
Definitely. Plus, taking pictures there was so much fun.
And who could forget our lunch at Bella Italia? The food was divine.
It was delicious. But then there was that moment of panic when you thought you lost your wallet.
Oh, that was stressful. But thankfully, the waiter found it.
A close call. After that, it was time to catch the train to Venice.
Venice was magical. The canals, the boats, it felt like a fairy tale.
And shopping for Murano glass was a highlight. I loved picking out that vase.
And I got a lovely necklace for my sister. Dinner that night was the perfect ending.
Then off to Florence. The art and architecture were breathtaking.
I couldn't believe we were seeing the Duomo in person.
And as we wrapped up our trip, it was bittersweet. We had so many memories.
For sure. So what's next on our travel bucket list?
How about planning for France or Spain? Both sound incredible.
I'm in. For now, let's cherish these memories.
And don't forget to go through all those photos we took. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.
Until next time, happy travels.